Survey methods in psychology. What is survey methods in psychology? Can you define survey methods? What are the types of sampling used in survey? Can you list methods of survey? Can you explain questionnaires used in survey? What are the strengths in survey methods? Can you explain weaknesses in survey methods? Going to learn. In survey method, people answer questions about aspects of their views, attitudes, or behavior. Surveys are often conducted to measure a wide range of attitude and behavior. Example, job satisfaction. Define survey method. Survey methodology studies the sampling of individual units from a population and the associated survey data. Collection techniques such as questionnaire construction and methods for improving the number and accuracy of response to surveys. Types of sampling. There are two types of sampling methods. Probability sampling. It is a sampling method where the respondent is selected based on the theory of probability. Second, non-probability sampling. It is a sampling method where the researcher selects a sample of respondents purely on the basis of their own preference. Methods of survey. Based on design, first cross-sectional studies, second longitudinal studies, third correlation studies. Questionnaires. Questionnaires are the most commonly used tool in survey research. Questionnaires as tools, a variable category that is often measured in survey research or demographic. Reliability and validity of self-report measures. Reliable measures of self-report are defined by their consistency. Composing a questionnaire. 6 steps can be employed to construct questionnaire that will produce reliable and valid results. Order of questions. Survey researchers should carefully construct the order of questions. Strengths of survey methods. Surveys are relatively inexpensive. Surveys are useful in large population. They can be administered from remote locations using email, mail, telephone. Very large samples are feasible. Many questions can be asked. There is flexibility. Standardized questions used ensures that comparatively comfort to interpret the data. High reliability is easy to obtain. Weakness of survey methods. Possibly missing many respondents. Surveys are inflexible. unchanged throughout the data collection. The researchers difficult to ensure that a large number of sampled. It may be hard for participant to recall about a controversial question opposed to direct observation. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.